Shop is, yeah, there was a guy sitting at the bench, and the other lady, I think they were both homeless. The other lady came by, and he pulled her down, and just about whenever people are yelling at him, he's making excuses, so that's why I called. She was really scared, and she ducked into All-Star. He went over to where that for sale sign is and ducked in, about the bank area.
To the right?
And then soon after I got off the phone, she came across and went that way and was asking me to hang onto her purse for her because she was scared.
Okay.
And then he went back that way, and we just saw him. He was going back to the right of Civic Center.
So they both kind of went that way?
Yeah, and we're...
Okay. And do you have her purse?
No.
She didn't leave it? Okay. All right, I will go and look.
And she went that way.
And what is she wearing?
In progress, unwanted
I'm sorry, say again.
A beanie and a bulky jacket.
Bulky jacket? What color is the jacket?
Black,
Native American inside the store. Bothering customers refusing to leave. Wearing a black jacket.
Okay.
441. Wait, just 7 and 1252.
Okay. And then, did you get a good look at him at all?
He just had a big plaid jacket on, white stripes, as far as like plaid goes. It was a dark plaid. And he was just a big, bulky guy.
Okay. They both kind of went that direction.
Yeah, he went that way and then went to the right, and she was going that way.
All right, we'll go look that way for him then.
Yeah. What are they wearing?
She's wearing a big, bulky black jacket with Iron Cross on the back.
Like the red.
And he's wearing a plaid jacket, white. Okay.
Yeah, he was not up to anything good at all.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.